It was the hottest ticket in town. Anyone who's anyone was abuzz at clapping eyes on the Cyberpunk 2077 E3 demo, and, for those unfortunate enough not to be there, whispers and wondering what went down were as close as you got to the unveiling of CD Projekt Red's new title. Until now, someone's only gone and been a naughty so-and-so and leaked nearly an hour of audio footage from the event. I won't tell if you won't. I feel like I should have a big gold disclaimer, saying leaking is bad and you definitely shouldn't be doing it in a behind-closed-doors event, but still, DSO Gaming has gotten their hands on the audio clips and I know you want to listen to it. The two audio clips can be found here in the Cyberpunk 2077 E3 2018 demo Part 1 and Part 2. I won't divulge too much in fear of wanting to give the game away, but for a title that's not out for quite some time, the voice acting and general diegetic sound blaring through from the game's world is positively incredible. It all adds up to craft an immersive experience previously only described in hushed tones by the lucky few who got an invite to the event. So, now you know what all the fuss was about. Kinda. Sure, you won't get all of the details behind the mythical E3 2018 demo that probably had people fainting in the streets of Los Angeles, but that would spoil half the fun, wouldn't it? You've been given the most cyberpunk access possible to 2019's hottest title. Don't let that go to waste. Source: DSO Gaming.